Well, you'll have to forgive the cliche, but the wheels of justice turn very slowly, and this has been a long time coming. The main TV news broadcasters began a campaign more than a decade ago for cameras to be allowed into criminal courts. In 2009, cameras were allowed into the Supreme Court, and 4 years later, there were cameras installed in the Court of Appeal. But the TV news broadcasters argued that the public had a right to see what went on in criminal cases. The argument was for more openness, but also for the public's better understanding of what was being done, after all, inside public buildings. So now the same for Crown Courts, where the most serious criminal cases are heard. But, and there's a very big but, there's going to be very limited access, and viewers will see only a very small part of proceedings. All they'll see is the judge, see and hear the judge passing sentence and giving the explanation for that particular punishment. So no real context unless the judge decides to give a lot of detail into the reasoning behind the sentence being imposed.